Welcome to the series of videos on pipe network productivity tools for AutoCAD Civil 3D. In this video, we'll discuss the daylight pipe to surface command. This command can help you find the daylight location of a pipe where it would outlet from a surface, quick and easy, compared to how we would do this in Civil 3D currently. The way that I've always have been doing this is drawing a feature line inside the pipe that it represents the pipe's invert or center line or crown, whatever it is I want to daylight. And so you can see I have a feature line here, and here I'm in Object Viewer. So let's go ahead and let's do an orbit in the 3D view. And you can see that my feature line is right on the invert of the pipe. If I switch back to my 3D view here, and I'm going to change the view to conceptual, and then part of my workflow would be to just draw a line out this way, and I would extend that feature line along that slope out to a line, and then I would create a grading group and grade to the surface at any slope. And what that would do would show me where this line intersects the surface. And so from there I could make adjustments to my pipe to allow it to daylight out. So I could easily see where the daylight points are just by the grading group and how the grading group ties in with the surface. But why do I have to go through all that effort to achieve that when I can have the software compute this for me? So with daylight pipe to surface, I can simply choose my pipe and choose my surface that I want to daylight to, and it automatically does this operation for me and shows me the options I have of where I want that pipe to daylight. And you can see the circles both show up in plan view and the orbit view, so you can see where the daylight location is. So right now it's found 4 different solutions, so it's asking me to choose which one I want. So you just pick the nearest to the circle, and it makes the adjustment to the pipe at that grade that the pipe is set at. So if I was to change the grade of the pipe and rerun it, then it would rerun at that grade. But it was at 1% originally, and so it computed it that way. So it makes it very quick and easy to find your daylight location for your pipe. So if I wanted to push through this area, this low spot here, and daylight on the other side, and maybe I come back and do some other fill in here, I could do that very quick and easy and find that location. Now you also have the ability to adjust the settings here on what you want to daylight from, the invert, centerline, or crown. So that is daylight pipe to surface. Thanks for watching. Feel free to reach out if you have any questions, and be sure to check out our other apps on the Autodesk Exchange Store.